Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Apptivo CRM pipeline reporting, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update the Apptivo CRM pipeline reporting, first, log into your Apptivo account. Once logged in, navigate to the CRM module in the CRM module, find and click on the pipeline section. You will see a list of your current pipelines. Select the pipeline you wish to update. Click on the Edit button located at the top right corner of the pipeline view. Now, you can modify the pipeline stages as needed. To add a new stage, click on Add Stage and enter the stage name and details. If you need to remove a stage, click on the trash icon next to that stage. You can also rearrange stages by dragging and dropping them into your desired order. After making the necessary updates, click the Save button to apply the changes. Next, go to the Reports section within the CRM module. Here, you can select the report type that corresponds to your updated pipeline. Once you select the report type, click on Generate Report. Review the updated report to ensure it reflects your recent changes. If further adjustments are needed, return to the pipeline section and repeat the editing process. Always remember to save your changes after each update. Finally, you can export your report if needed by clicking on the Export option available. This completes the process of updating pipeline reporting in Apptivo CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.